I'm Landon from Aurora Middle School, and I'm filming hands-on equations video. This equals x, this equals the opposite of x, this is a positive number, and this is a negative number, and together, these two make 0. My first problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. I can take 2 away from each side because I'm taking away the same thing from each side, and then I can make this a 4 because 7 minus 3 equals 4, and then I can divide each side by 2, make that a 2, and that x equals 2. My second problem is the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So first you can add a white to each side, so you can get rid of this blue, and then add a green 2 to each side, get rid of this. So this equals 12 and this equals 4, and you can divide each of them by 4. So this equals 3 and this equals 1, so x equals 3. Third problem is opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. First you can take away these because they make a pair of 0, and then add 2 blues to both sides. Take away this because it equals a pair of 0, and then add a red 3 to each side. So you can take that away because it equals a pair of 0, and then x equals 2.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow Disease on Twitch to get unlimited V-Bucks.
Landon.
Landon, you're getting recorded.
Hi, I'm Landon from Aurora Middle School, and I'm doing integer